Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Hamdia. Kindly hit the subscribe button and join the family. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for joining me. I appreciate you and you are the best. So today's video is all about my everyday makeup. This is what I wear every day. The only thing I change is probably the eyeshadow, but if you want to know how I go about my everyday makeup or how I achieved this look, then keep on watching. Now going in with the Vaseline Rose Lips Lip Balm to help my lips stay moisturized. I have dry lips, so I usually like to prep my lips before makeup. Priming my eyes with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige, and I'm using the CVL blending brush to blend everything in. Guys, I had to take my time. If not, you already know. Now going in with this orangey shade from the e.l.f. blush palette, and I'm using this as my eyeshadow. Lining my eyes using the Fenty Beauty Fly Liner. I really love how easy and long-lasting this eyeliner is. It's the bomb, and you should get one for yourself if you don't have it, okay? Now going in with the Maybelline Baby Skin Primer all over my face. Going back in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal under my eyes, cheeks, forehead, basically my T-zone. This is what I do for my everyday makeup, and this is going to help brighten these areas. And I'm blending everything in using the Real Technique Beauty Sponge. Now applying my favorite foundation. You guys already know the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop, and I'm using another fade, the Evita Joseph Face Buffer, to blend everything in. Going back in with the Real Technique Beauty Sponge to take off any harsh lines. We want this makeup to be seamless and natural as possible. Now using the Makeup Revolution Banana Powder to set my T-zone. So for bronzing, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Contour Powder in the shade Coconutty. I really love this shade name. I don't know why. Now applying some blush using the e.l.f. blush palette, and I'm using the same shade I used for my eyeshadow. I really enjoy applying blush to my face these days. Gone are the days I used to think blush wasn't my thing. Now going in with the Note Cosmetics face powder all over my face to blend everything in, just finish it off. Yeah, I don't know what to call this, but you get what I mean, right? Using a dark brown eyeshadow in my lash line to help my under eyes pop. Going in with this highlighter to add a bit of shimmer to my face because a girl needs to glow. Yeah, we need to glow. Okay, it's glow season. Don't mind me. Applying some mascara to my lashes because it's about time they wake up. Or mother. Lining my lips with the LA Girl lip liner, and I'm using the shade Chestnut, I think. Yeah, I really cannot remember the exact name for this lip liner, so I'm going to put it in the description box below. Applying some lip gloss, and I'm using Kick Off from the Evita Joseph Lip Gloss League. Setting my makeup with the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. And it's a wrap, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this and found it helpful. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and share. I'll see you guys in my next one.